Of course, we are beginning with the very latest in the double murder trial of Alex-Murdaugh, who's accused of killing his wife and one of his sons. Today we heard from a longtime friend.
After 4 weeks of prosecution testimony, Alex-Murdaugh's defense team spent today working to tear apart evidence investigators say link Murdaugh to the murders. Kaylin Hagwood is at the Colleton County Courthouse. She starts our team coverage. Kaylin.
Darcy, Andrea, good evening. Defense attorneys really working to tear down that prosecution detailed timeline by describing what they're calling sloppy work by investigators. At one point, asking a witness if he just outright did a terrible job, or if investigators rather did a terrible job whenever they were investigating this process. Let's take you into the courtroom now, where forensic specialist Kenneth Zersey testified that he felt officers could have done more, saying they didn't identify fingerprints, save the sheets laid on the bodies, or wear the proper footwear the night of the crime. This comes after Mark Ball, a former friend and law partner to Murdaugh, testified that he and a group of others drove right onto the property after the killings and even got close to the scene before state agents arrived. Here's a bit of what Zersey had to share.
Did you notice any protective covering on their feet?
No, sir.
Is that procedure that you teach? Is that procedure that's accepted? Is that what is that?
It's standard operating procedure.
Standard operating procedure around the world?
It should be, yes.
Okay. Now, go for it.
Well, prosecutors, they were pushing back, defending the investigation process as a reasonable effort by law enforcement to collect evidence. At that time, Zersey said he had not seen all the documents related to the case and was not familiar with one of the key investigators who responded to the scene. He also said mistakes can happen. And as this testimony continues, we could hear from Murdaugh himself in the days that follow. At the start of the day, the defense was speaking with the court, hoping to have certain testimony removed from a conversation if Murdaugh were to take the stand related to his alleged financial crimes. The judge said he would not make a decision on that today and would rather do it on a case-by-case basis if Murdaugh chooses to take the stand. Reporting live here in Colleton County, I'm Kaylin Hagwood.
All right, Kaylin, thank you so much.